Hi, welcome to my kitchen.
Hi, welcome to my kitchen.
Hi, welcome to my kitchen.
Today we're making fortune cookies.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to fix your voice if you want to be on TV.
We're making fortune cookies.
We're making 36 fortune cookies.
That'll take an hour.
It will.
We did the math.
You'll need 4 egg whites, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of oil,
1 cup of flour, 3 teaspoons of cornstarch,
1 cup of sugar, a pinch of salt,
6 teaspoons of water.
and that's it. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Whisk together the flour, starch, salt, and sugar. Commence the whisk.
I do all the work around here.
Now you take your egg whites and you whisk them until they're frothy.
That's actually disgusting.
Why didn't it turn off?
Is it burning?
It's smoking. Mommy, it's burning.
Oh.
Thanks, Mommy. Camera stopped filming. It's back now. When the eggs were frothy,
We had 2 bowls. One bowl we had our vanilla, oil, and water, and we whisked it all together, which was this bowl, and then we got our flour mixture, and then with that we whip our egg whites.
yeah, you mix them
And then
together.
we whisk it all together, and it should look like that.
So now we're just gonna take a spoon, we're gonna scoop up some dough, and we're just gonna plop it on parchment paper. Now they need to be baked for 8 to 12 minutes. Okay, you need a cupcake tray and a mug and a spatula. Okay, now you get some papers with fortunes that you already wrote, and you fold, put it like that, and it's a fortune cookie. You keep on doing that. Oh my god.
Look at your mom.
Oh my god.
No!
Ow!
Beauty is pain. Mandarin should hire us.
Alright, so we made some, and now we're gonna try them.
Just like the ones at Mandarin. So good.
Just more doughy.
Yeah. So if you like a little extra dough.
This is the recipe for you. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.